And on we'll go.
Guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing a phone unboxing. This one contains 3 phones and a lot I bought on eBay. It was right around $10. I really bought it only for one phone, which is a Samsung device. It's an older phone. It's actually my first phone, so some of you might know just from that part. I haven't been able to find another one, and when I found this one, I knew I was instantly going to take it. So here's these two. I'll start with this one. Samsung Sprint Touchpoint. I think it's a Samsung. Maybe not. Maybe it's just Touchpoint. I don't know. I can't really tell who the manufacturer is on this. But there's the details if anyone else knows on it. I already have one of these, but like I said, it came in the wallet, so when I took it, Samsung SDH, which is weird for a Sprint device, usually they're SPH, 3500. I have one of them. I think mine has a bad battery if I remember right. So hopefully this one's got a good battery so I can take parts off it or whatever. It's probably dead though. And then the last one is the Samsung SPH A560 with Sprint. The one I have has a bad LCD, which was my original phone, so I bought this one to hopefully able to fix mine up. So here it is. This one does have also the yellow Sprint symbol, where mine's like the grayish white one because it was an older series, I guess. But yeah, figured I'd go and do this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.